Hi. Hi guys. I'm going live and my mic is working. Okay. I think you can all see my screen. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to enter. I don't have a revisit code, so I'm going to enter with continue without an account. Okay. So my code is trim mode that something. Okay, then I go press continue, then close, start a new project. In this I'm going to introduce the MIT App Inventor, which I'm using for coding. This is the palette. See that? This is the palette. I think you can see my mouse moving. This is the palette. Then this is the viewer. Then this is the components, media, properties, auto screen, default. Okay. In the next video I will explain you what are these properties, components, palette, viewer. Okay. Then we have two blocks, means like designer and blocks. In blocks we have this is called block setting coding language. We have like this. Okay. Then if you want to connect your phone, please install MIT app. Okay, MIT App Inventor, MIT AI2 companion. If you install that, you can lively see how you can see your game. This is the connect AI companion. Okay. Then you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi, not different connections, same Wi-Fi connection. Then only you will get a QR code. You have to scan in that app itself. Then you have to wait for like half a second. Then it will be loaded. Then you can play your game. If you want to download, you have to build. Go to build. Then app provide QR code like that. Okay. Then in designer, in palette we have search components or text box for searching. Then in user interface, button, checkbox, date picker, image, label, list picker, list view, notifier, password text box, slider, spinner, switch, text box, time picker, and so on. This is an user interface. We use our user interface so much. Then in that palette itself we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Have 12 types. Okay. Then the components, first you have to, the screen 1 will be appearing. Screen 1, you have to just click on the theme. See, this is a theme. Click on theme. Then you have to click on device default. Okay. Whenever you start a project of building an Android app, you have to just switch the theme to switch the theme classic to device default. Okay. Then we have to add button box. Okay. Then there are some see notifier. When I drop notifier here, we cannot get because they are non-visible components. Okay. Non-visible components means we cannot see that components. Okay. Then we have web viewer, sensors. But I'll tell you one thing. In layout, if we want to see, I'll show you one thing. I'll show you. Wait a minute. We don't want this notifier. To delete that notifier, then we was a text box. Here's a text box. We have to drag and drop here. You have to drag and drop. Then you have then the button will not come here. Okay, the button will come down, either up. So if we want to make these button and this text box in the same line, we use layout. Which layout you'll ask? That's horizontal arrangement. Wait a minute, I'll show you how. Wait, well, keep this horizontal arrangement there. Then you have to drag this. Then wait. First you have to delete these. Then only we should do. First you have to drag and drop the text in horizontal arrangement. Then go to text box. Text box. Sorry, switch. I've taken switch. Text box, and you have to keep like this. Then if you want this button also in the same line, you have to. I already told you you have to use horizontal arrangement. Then you have to click here. Then you'll get this text box and the button will get in the same line. Okay. So this web viewer, time picker, text box, particularly we will use button, label, notifier, text box. These all we use. Okay. Then in layout, horizontal arrangement. In this, okay. In drawing animation, we use image sprite and canvas. Okay. Then in the connectivity we have. I do not use connectivity. Like if we are designing something like connectivity you can use, but I'll introduce this app. Okay, I introduce half of them. So in this rename is there. See the text button. It's that text for button 1. Here, see here. I'm moving my mouse. Text. In this text you can change, and I'm going click. I'm typing click. Then the be transformed from text for button 1 to click. Okay. Then we have background default color. We have the text box also. That's text, nothing is written. You have to write hi or anything you can write. I'm writing just hi. Okay. In the next video I will teach you how to do that. Okay. Then you should rename these. Okay. New name, old name will appear. You have to write. I am writing for introduction of MIT app inventor. Okay. Then there's a button. Let's type for the MIT app inventor. Wait, I'll copy and paste. That will be easy for me. Okay, rename. Then control V. Okay. Okay, then it's coming duplicate name. So I will put here 2. Then it's not a duplicate name. How to if you're renaming, you have to give introduction underscore like that. If I'm typing like space invader or SPACE underscore INVADER. Okay. Then in the text box I have shown you in the notifier. If you drag and drop these components these are the components. In the blocks you will able to see these components. Okay, this is the button. You have button. If we long click, what will be happen? Touch down, touch up, click, like that. Okay, then we have set block, and set block means it's a green car, dark green, and this is light green. The next video I'll explain you like in detail. I'll explain. Okay, so don't worry about that and all. The button also will have what long click means what will happen. Last focus means if we remove our hand from the button, what will be happen. Then guard focus. Touch down means when we touch up means when you're after touching down we'll take our fingers like that. Okay, then we have click, focus, have more control. Yeah, if then, I think I've read if then else in the computer science. Then the logic, you have true or false, like is equal to what is that and this. Then we have this, we can also create speaking calculator, like that also we can create. We have variables like initialize, global name, we will use this often. Then procedures, this is the easy one when we are using so much long blocks, like we are coding for like 10 blocks. Then you have to cut this and paste it in this. Okay, I'll show you. I'm just showing how. Okay, wait a minute, I'll be back. Okay, hi guys. So I think you learned some. So procedures, I'll show you. I'm not doing anything. So if I'm just doing like this, then I have to wait a minute. I'll delete this. Yeah, if you click on the drop down menu, you'll get like these and all. I'll delete this. You have to drag and drop here, or you can just see, I'll show you. Right click, then where's the delete block. Okay, like this you have to do. In touchdown, I'll show you one thing. When we are wait a minute. Yeah, I think we can do these. I think it's not that. So touchdown, right? I'll delete this. Then have touchdown. Then what we have to do. For touchdown, then when you are touching this, then go first. Then you have to go to background color. Where's the background color? Wait a minute, I'll show you one easy way. Okay, like this it will be. Then you have to search here where's background color, and when we touch down we'll get. Right, I'll go to colors. When we are touch down, I'll give this red color. Then when we are touch up, okay, where's it? Yeah, the button. Where's the touch up? Then you can duplicate this by clicking on right click on the blocks and duplicate. Then you will get the duplicate. Then you have to change this to gray or whatever color you want. So for today I'm teaching this much. Sorry, wait a minute. In blocks, this is the viewer, and these are the blocks, component, media. Then this you have to use. Okay. Then for increasing the size, for decreasing the size. In the backpack you can keep whatever things you want. Then if you want to delete, then here are it shows the warnings. Okay, like this. you keep like this, it will show the warnings. Okay, then have procedures built in. Then it will ask close app inventor. Then you can close the app inventor. Okay, I got something tree moved, something I got, but I don't remember. So again I'll go continue without an account. Okay, so don't worry about the the code, please. Okay, please note the code, don't forget. Then we have, if you want to start a project, please click on start new project. Then whatever name you want, you can type. Then I'm typing introduction. Then please click on the introduction that you have to click. Then a button, I have told you that whenever you're making something, when you're building a Android app, you have to change the screen one theme classic to device default. Okay, so nothing is there. My projects, if you want to see the projects, you have to click on my projects. If you want to connect, I have told you. Then reset connection if you want, this also I have told you. This no need of this and all. So my project view trash means whatever you have deleted from the projects, it will gone to the view trash. Okay, here's the view trash. Then nothing is there to introduce about the MIT app inventor. Okay, so wait a minute. In the palette, we import extension means you can import any file. Okay, like I had imported one, I don't remember the name, that like color or something, I don't remember. Next video I will see what is that. Okay, so for now, bye from Minnu Tech. Bye.